All right, guys, I'm going to try to do this basic back yoke in Clo. I'm not that familiar yet because they want, if we follow the book, they're having us do this pivotal transfer method. So let's see if I can do this or not. I just don't know. Okay, so I went ahead and annotated my pattern piece. I already drew the yoke line and separated it. So here we go. They want us to trace from A to C. So I feel like if you make a reference line, that would be good. I'm kind of struggling how to do that. I can say clone as reference line, but then it adds the whole thing. I wonder if we could just, well, let me do just U and U as a reference line, A to the dart leg C. Can I just use U as a reference line? Not really. Okay, so let's just select the whole thing and see if this will work. Clone as reference. Okay. Is that going to work? Let's see here. If I move you, the reference line is still there. Okay. If I rotate it, will the reference line still be there? No, it's gone. Okay. I think that's what's bugging me. Because I need to rotate it, and then that removes the reference line, which is kind of a pain in my butt. Okay, what if I select it and I copy it and copy and paste it right on top of it. Boom. Okay. Okay. So then I think I'll right click and lock one of them. Is that the same as free? Oh, lock. I'll do lock. So then I can still move the other one. Maybe that's what I need to do. Okay. So now I'm supposed to rotate by bringing D to C, and this little guy is supposed to be on my yoke line. Straight line from the dart point. Okay. So now I can close D up to C. Okay. And then I would trace that new part that's there. Okay. So maybe what I need to do is add a point. I'm going to go back. Before I do that, let's zoom in and let's add a point right there. Okay. And then now let's try rotating it again. Of course, I can't see it wherever my point is. It would be nice if I could see it. Click, click. Click, click. There it is. Okay. And pan, rotate it closed. Okay. Cool. So now I need to trace the two of these. How is this going to work? So I don't know if my trace tool is going to be handy or not, but I'm going to try. So on this one, I'm trying to trace, what is this guy doing? There we are. This line, and then one that I can't see. Okay, so maybe what I should do first is unlock everybody. Right click, unlock all pattern outlines. Okay. What if I copy both of these as internal lines in here? I don't know if that's good or bad. So that I could trace it. I don't think it's going to let me do what I need to do. So let's try that. Okay, right click, clone as internal shape. Sure. Onto this big piece of fabric I made. Okay. Okay, so then maybe I could delete the stuff I don't need. Okay, so I'm supposed to delete, or I was supposed to trace this straight part here. So not this part. So I'm gonna delete you. I'm deleting you. Okay, and then I was supposed to trace not you, and not you. Ah, I don't like that. Well, yeah, I don't even need any of this. Yeah, I don't need this at all. Because, what am I doing? No, I do need you. So, is there a point right here? I need to add a point. I'm going to add a point right there. Okay, and then this, I guess, can go here. If I delete it, it gets too crazy. There we go. Okay, so basically our shape that we're trying to have. Okay, this is good. This is the shape we're trying to get. This is very exciting. Okay. This looks just like the book. How exciting. Okay, so now this is point E. And what else do they want from us? Okay, yeah, that's E. And they just want a straight line from A to B. So, I'm going to right click, add perpendicular line off the white axis. Okay. So this right here was our shoulder dart. We did the pivot method to move it. Now, that was not very intuitive, to be honest with you. In Clo, we got to find a different way to rotate the dart because I feel like that was really hard to do in Clo, and I don't think I would have been able to do it if I didn't have my instructions from the book in front of me. But I do have it here, so whatever this measurement is, they want me to shave that off of this pattern. So let's see here. So there's probably a measuring tool I can pull and use. Let's see here, 2D. Let's see here.